Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to clean Samsung Frame TV screen. Let's go. Do not use paper. Disconnect the TV from the power supply before cleaning. Use Microfiber Cleaning Cloths or electronics cleaning screen wipes. Microfiber Cleaning Cloths for dry cleaning. Electronics cleaning screen wipes for wet cleaning. Wipe the TV with a dry microfiber cloth. After you have removed all the dust, you can start wet cleaning. Do not use detergents, they will ruin the screen. That's it. Now you know how to clean Samsung Frame TV screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.